Hey everybody, Mike here from the Focused Garage, and in today's video we're going to be showing you how to get a beautiful crisp on-off with your turn signal by the use of the DE Auto LED front turn signal for your MK7 GTI. So what you're looking at here is a side where I've gone ahead and already put that LED bulb in. You can see it's a very crisp, bright, illuminates the whole housing in there LED. And we'll go ahead and show you what the passenger side looks like in just a second here. The passenger side, on the other hand, bleeds in and out kind of slowly. It doesn't illuminate the whole housing. You can see it kind of fades on and off there. So, without further ado, we're going to jump right ahead into this here and show you how easy it is to do this. This is literally a 10-minute installation or less. So let's go ahead, check it out. Alright, so I am standing basically at the car with the hood popped open here. This is the passenger side headlight. It's very easy access. You don't have to remove the bumper, you don't have to remove the fender liner, nothing along the lines of that. You're going to have two caps. One is way more inside the fender here. The other one is very, very clear access. I'll show you kind of. There's the front of the motor. Here's the headlight. You've got this cap here. You want to just go ahead and remove this cap. It just pulls down very, very easily. Give me a minute here. Try and see if I can get this while I'm on camera for you. Just pulls down around the outside. And as you can see, you'll just go ahead and you'll work that off. So see, it's just a little press fit seal there. Go ahead and pull it off and then I'll show you what you're looking at. All right, here we go. Here is what the cover looks like. It's just, like I said, a rubber pliable piece here. Just sits into a little groove on the back of the headlight. There's going to be a lip in between there, and that's where it press seals, once you've got it. Looking at the front of the headlight, it may be confusing to see here where the turn signal bulb is, but you're lucky. It's very, very easy. Right in the bottom of that thing that you removed, there's going to be two, let's see if I can get you a good view, two ears on this black plug. Go ahead and put your fingers on this. Just pull it straight back. Give me one moment here. And like I said, it's as easy as that. So you'll see there's two ears on the back of this here. You just go ahead and grab it and pull it straight back. There's no twisting, anything like that. And now you've got the bulb stock itself with the bulb in it. This factory bulb is a push to turn style. So you're going to go ahead and push it down and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. And you'll go ahead and pull it out. Now, I've worked with DE Auto in the past, and one of the greatest things about them is all of their bulbs, for the most part, are going to be truly plug and play. You're not going to need to wire in any kind of resistors or use any kind of special coating or anything like that. You can put these bulbs in, especially on these turn signals here, and you're not going to get hyper flash, you're not going to get a bulb out error, anything like that. So, you can compare, this is their bulb here to the factory bulb, and one of the really nice things about their bulbs, as you can see here, it is a full metal construction. So it's not cheap plastic or anything like that. You don't have to worry about these cracking with heat and anything. They're full metal bulbs, full metal base, full metal construction. So very, very nice quality. I love their products. On the bottom here, you're going to see there are little metal locating tabs. You want to take very close care because these are going to go in the same way. You're going to push them in and then turn clockwise once you get the tabs located. You want to take very close care to make sure that those tabs are lined up properly when you've gone ahead and placed it in this housing. Whoop, down in there. I don't know if it'll be able to see. Yeah, you can see there's metal prongs along the outside and then there's blank spots. You want to make sure that when you go ahead and put this in here, that those tabs are aligned. Otherwise, you could risk cracking and breaking the bulb as you go ahead and push down and turn it. So like I said, once you get those tabs lined up, push it in, turn it clockwise, and it'll be locked into place. To put the bulb back into place, all you've got to go ahead and do is get this little guy right lined up here. Pop that right back in the hole here, and you'll see, you'll just push it the rest of the way, and then it'll click to lock itself in place. Obviously, I'm going to go ahead and put the bulb in, but it's that easy. So you'll push this back in, it'll give a nice audible click, letting you know that it's back into place. And then just take this plastic rubber cover and put it right back on the back of the headlight here, and you are good to go. And it's really that simple. That's going to wrap it up. You can see we've got the driver's side here and the passenger side here. Now, the camera isn't going to quite do it justice, but these are actually significantly brighter than the factory halogen bulb in there. This is a full LED bulb, so like I said, you get the crisp flashing of the on and off. There's no fading in and out, and it is a lot brighter. It lights up the whole housing much more uniform there and looks absolutely great. Just to recap a few things about these bulbs, like I said, these are purchased directly from DE Auto. I will have the description for them in the or I will have the link in the description down below for these bulbs, so you can go ahead and pick up a pair for yourselves. These are on the Mark 7 GTI with the lighting package pre-facelift. So the bulb is a direct plug and play. There's no wiring needed, no resistors needed, no bulb out errors, and no hyper flash. You literally go ahead, pull the stock bulb out, twist it, put in the DE Auto bulb, and you're good to go. This will make the car look much more premium. It'll almost make it look like the housing itself is LED, since it does illuminate that whole blinker piece on the bottom there. And it just makes the car feel, you know, again, I always like these little, you know, premium upmarket mods to the vehicle. So it makes it feel, you know, just nicer. It'll have a greater appearance at night and in the daytime as well. That's one thing I was looking for. I was looking for bulbs that are much more noticeable in the daytime. A lot of these cheap LEDs, they get washed out with daylight, so you don't really see them, you know, if you're driving in the sun. This is not going to be a problem with these bulbs at all. So like I said, this is a pretty self-explanatory video. Quick, easy, simple mod to do, and you know, for quicker than 10 minutes, you can go ahead and transform the way your vehicle looks with the signals on. If you've got any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments down below. If not, I will catch you guys in the next video. This is Mike from the Focus Garage. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys have a great day.